So here I go. This is where I struggle. Even though I know I shouldn't be working when it's drizzling, I still did. So I continued on. I used up another row of stones. So definitely we'll have enough 2 high. This one I only want 2 high. And I think I'm going to use rocks over there to transition from the upper garden to here. Those 2 at the end have to be sunk further. I'm a little hesitant because I don't have all my tools here to go deeper, because the water line comes somewhere around here and it goes down that way. So it's buried underneath here somewhere. And I don't know quite where. So I'd rather have the proper tools to make sure I don't puncture the water line. So I was able to do this. I'll be happy going on my way down, but none of it is level. So I need the screening in order to do that. So it's going to come this way. Along the stone here, we are going to use these blocks to go underneath. So this area here I'm going to have to do as well before we continue, because I don't want to be removing it after this is finished. And I'm just going to lay, starting from about here, just start a row of stones underneath up until here. It's going to be at the same height as the patio stones, and it's just going to run along here for a nice finishing edge. And I can't tell you how pleased I am with that wall. Oh my goodness, so pleased. So here's the work I did today. I didn't touch this here. That is all level, and it's ready to have the top layer. Just have to glue it down. This stone here, there's a root behind it, so I have to trim that. It's not a lot, but enough that it won't fit in. Ugh, so annoying. Anyway, I think this, see that there still has mulch, so I think with another 2 layers we'll get to that. So that would be great if it is, because that would mean that I only need 1 row on the other side. And this won't be too high, which I didn't want it to be. So I think I'm going to curl it around here, because the deck is going to come over to there. These stones will will go over there, and then there'll be some heading out towards there, like a little walkway. Over here, I'm just going to fill it with landscape cloth and put river rock in here, and I have some of those that I can put there as well. So yeah, and I found the match to muffler, so I have to find a very creative name for this one. We thought about battery and we thought about engine, but I don't know if I want to take that route. Anyway, we'll be thinking about it until next weekend. This is a tree that we've been working around because we wanted this tree here. I don't know what's going on. It's clearly been cut, because this is a fresh cut, and the top of the tree is gone. And I can't find the top of the tree. I'm gonna walk around later to see if I can find the top of that, because this is very disturbing. I'm really freaked out. No, I didn't find anything. This is very, it's very disturbing.